Alan, what is the mag line?
Well, actually, MAG for when we say MAG is a moving average genius, and the point is, what is the genius part? Well, we'll get to that in a second. The MAG line solves the problem of knowing with about a 96% accuracy that you're either on the right side or the wrong side of the situation. So you've got the MAG line drawn there as that purpley kind of line there. Yeah, that one. And the idea is that if the stock is south of that mag line, you should be looking to make money on going down. If it's in like later, you've got it, it's above the mag line, then you should be in a position only a position of making money going up. You shouldn't be trying to make money going down when it's on the top side. So the idea is that you should be in agreement, and that's where we say don't argue with the mag line. You should be in agreement with the mag line. So when it's above, the stock price is above the line, you should go long or bullish, and when it's below, you should be going short or bearish. So it doesn't say that it's a strong move in your direction, but it serves the critical purpose of saying you're on the right side of it, and that's why it's really important. So if you're holding a bullish position and then the stock starts to move on the south side of the line, you should really seriously look at getting out. And that's why I love that thing, is because it's simple, where it's just like, well, I'm on the wrong side, I should just get out. And it's right almost always. And that's why it's useful. Now, part of the tricky part, and this is why we call it, the genius in that sense, is that yes, it serves that one purpose, and it was designed specifically for day trading. But the genius part is that if you change from a 1 minute chart or a 10-minute chart or all that kind of stuff, the line will pretty much be in the same prices, in the same shape. And so that is a huge convenience factor for us, because you see the line stays where it is. That's the most important part. So you don't have to interpret, and this is where it's quite different than the standard moving average kind of thinking, is this is a huge step above, because you now have a consistent view that says, hey, I'm on the right side or I'm on the wrong side, and that's all there is. So the convenience factor for us is the primary point is we just want to know, am I on the right side and I should stay with my trade or I should get out?
One of the biggest problems with day trading is being able to make consistent decisions off of the same criteria. And day trading highlights a very unique problem because the data is constantly moving. So when we talk about the mag line and the candles, we're talking about this purple line right here and where the candles are in relation to it. If it's below, then we're looking at going short. If it's above, we're looking at going long. Now, being able to tell if it's above or below is generally easy. Now, this is extremely important in that dynamic environment like day trading, as we just mentioned, because when the candles are all moving around, let's go back a little bit and let's see exactly what this looks like. So as you can see, I'm going backwards real quick, and then we'll go forward. I want you to take a look at this line in particular, because you need to be able to make decisions very quickly and very accurately. That is a very, very important component of having a system when you're day trading. So keep an eye on this candle right here as we move forward, and take a look at that line as the candle forms, and we move to the second one. And then the third one.
Above your price point, SPY.
Those are some of our other goodies and toys that allow you to know when conditions are met. All right, so as you can see, it's still above the line very clearly. This is an easy indicator to use. And it got the badge of genius because it's one of our favorite tested over a long time indicators that we use. So keep an eye on that mag line. The mag line is very, very smooth. We love that word. because in order to make good decisions, you need good data and good information at the right time. So we're getting close to the line, but it never went below. So as you can see, how you interact when the market is actually live is very easy